Hi. Today, hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how to turn this this boring t-shirt into this. It's sparkling and, Okay, hello there. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to teach you how to jazz up this boring t-shirt. Sorry, but this is I bought this for a really cheap amount. I bought this maybe for $2 or $2 to $3 only. So this is really cheap. And but you know, this is a good one because it's crop top. Okay, for those of you that do not know me, I am Denise and I'm a fashion designer. And this is one of my creations. And someday I'm gonna show you how I put some embellishments in it. And also joining us today are my friends. Oh my God! These are my roommates, the Barbie dolls of my life. And if you're listening to the ocean waves crashing gently crashing on the shoreline, well, I did not live near the beach, but I have a video that has sound effects like that, so I'm having myself relax. Okay, what you need to jazz up this shirt are, well, I'm a fashion designer, so I have a lot of leftovers laces. So you can also get laces left over from your friends maybe, or you have friends who have fashion or who are fashion designers, or maybe you can go to a thrift shop where they sell these you know, you cannot buy small pieces of lace in the shop, so they sell it for a very cheap price, you know. So like this, we have some laces, and also I have some beads. You can all order this online very cheap. This is worth around maybe $1 or 50 pesos. So you can buy this online. It's very. Also, you need this, and this is actually a fabric glue, and you can also buy this online. This is maybe around, in pesos it will be around maybe 300 pesos or lesser, maybe below 300 pesos, so it's around $6. You also need some sewing kit, so to sew the lace on the shirt. Okay, you can also buy this very cheap online or even in all the fabric stores around. Okay, so if you want to know how to jazz up your boring t-shirt in your room, or maybe the shirts that you can't wear anymore because it's so worn out, then you can join me and learn how to jazz. is now our finished product. You can see it's alive and it's not boring anymore. So this is what you can do. You can just add anything that you like, because in fashion there are no rules right now. So you can do, and it's pandemic, can go out, so do something in your house that is you know, can help you relieve the stress, and also try to improve some clothes that you have in your closet. This is a way of upcycling. Not upcycling is like recycling, but it is better, because you make the thing that you want to use again better, and looks better, and maybe feels better, you know, make you happy. You know, I am a fashion designer that believes in sustainable methods of creating fashion. So I really believe in second-hand clothes. So if you can buy pre-loved clothes, then it will minimize the waste that the fashion industry is producing for the earth. So you're, in your very small way, you're helping. So I really support those people that sell their pre-loved clothes, and you know, go to thrift shops, and they have these bazaars of pre-loved clothes, and then it will really minimize the trash. Because if you just throw away your clothes that you don't need, the clothes that you don't need, then it will really pile up and add to the waste in the world. So you are really helping if you buy pre-loved clothes. Remember the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. So I'm wearing it right now, and as you can see, it's not boring, you know, makes you happy, makes you feel better, and just makes you feel fabulous. Okay, so till here, and if you want to see more of these kinds of tutorials or maybe fashion advice, then you can just click on subscribe and like this video if you think it would help you in your life, made you happy. Okay, so till here. Okay, my roommate, say goodbye. Bye now. Okay, as always, God bless you. Take care always, and I love you all. Mwah.